currently at the dog park with Juno. We're just having a little bit of ball time and just hanging out. It is so beautiful out. The leaves are finally turning yellow and I just love autumn. I think she's a little tired now. Are you tired? Yeah, she's tired. Juno, come. This restaurant is known for their hand-pulled noodles. Today I tried a different noodle soup. I got the pickled veggie beef with thick round noodles. The broth and noodle texture was really good. I will say that the pickled veggies did have a pretty strong flavor, so it just depends if that's what you like. This restaurant has been highly anticipated for me. I'm so excited to be at Ramen Arashi. For appetizers, we got the gyoza and the tofu salad. If you want a spice challenge, get the Devil's Arashi with spice level 1, 2, or 3. You can also get level 4 or 5 at an additional cost. I got the Arashi ramen with tonkotsu broth and sesame base, and I also added an extra egg because I absolutely love ramen eggs. I really enjoyed the ramen here. I will say the broth seems a little bit richer than the other locations that they have, but I absolutely love that. And the portion size was just right for me. However, there is an option to add extra noodles as well. It is super bright today, but I'm just on the other side. I'm just at Crescent Hill right now, just walking Juno. So maybe we'll go downtown to the Riverwalk. We'll see. Autumn is officially here. The leaves are changing color and oh, it's my favorite season. I am so stoked. Yeah, sweater weather, puffy jacket weather. This is what I live for. I just had a doctor's appointment this morning and then I took my grandpa out for lunch. We went to Anzu, which is, if you watch my vlogs for a while, it's like my go-to lunch bento spot. It's super affordable. It's also like very central as well. So it's a really nice spot that I go to quite frequently. But yeah, now super exciting. I am visiting an aesthetic clinic and I am gonna get a little bit of beauty treatment done. So can't wait for that. Yes. Okay, perfect. this is the next day. I got a little bit of beauty treatment done. Do you notice anything different? Maybe.
Oh, free water.
Oh, right.
No free water.
No pressure.
I would do.
Read it closer.
You just want to try something different, okay?
But,
Try the mix.
go ahead. You ever get frozen coffee?
I know it sounds
So you're in
Vietnam,
Suriname? Suriname. You don't want Dutch.
Another walk with Juno Beans. I don't even know where she is right now. Juno, come. It is so gorgeous. I'm trying to take advantage of this beautiful weather.